Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking to you regarding on how to use Google Pay. So first and foremost, to use Google Pay, it's like PayPal. So you put money in your account, and then from that money you can send it to other people, you can send it to numbers. It really depends on how you do. As well as you can make group chats, and from those group chats you can split the bills and share expenses, and you can it's always tracks on how much you spent on what. So you can always make sure yeah, I have this much, I have that much, I spent this much on food, I spent all those all those little details that might really be helpful. At least it's helpful for me. And the other thing about Google is when you add a payment method, by that you mean it means you're adding your account card. So I'm not going to add my card right now to this account, but on my main account I do have my card added. And so what Google Pay does is it goes through my card, sees how much balance I have and all that. And it's very simple. If you got NFC on your phone, it's even simpler. You don't even need to carry your card anymore. All you got to do is tap to pay. That's what I used to do, and that's what I used to do here in Australia. All I gotta do is I tap and I pay, because almost everything is NFC related, so it's as simple as that. As well, Google Pay also lets you earn rewards and save money, so that's absolutely amazing as well. It's very simple. So if you've used PayPal before, it's the same as that, just more easier and simpler. And that's about it. If you want to use Google Pay, all you gotta do is add a payment method, and that's it. Nothing else, nothing more. It's as simple as that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.